For over 100 years, countless hours have been spent removing set screw-mounted bearings from shafts, causing extended downtime, shaft damage, and a lot of frustration. Many methods exist to remove a mounted bearing from a shaft. The recommended but not often used method, a hammer and drift, is used to pound down the burr created when locking the set screw to the shaft, but can still be difficult to remove, and oftentimes will cause scratches or gouges on the shaft. If space is available, the puller can be used to pull the bearing off the shaft. This will often cause scratches or gouges on the shaft. Destructive methods, such as a hand grinder, acetylene torch, or really big hammers, are used to remove the bearing. What if a better solution existed to remove a bearing from a shaft? What if you reduced your total downtime? What if you can reduce shafting replacement costs? The new SealMaster ball bearing with patented time-saving axial groove on the inner ring on large bore can reduce total time required when it comes to changing a mounted ball bearing. This patented design eliminates the interference with the burr by utilizing axial grooves at set screw locations that run the length of the inner ring. To remove the new SealMaster bearing with a time-saving axial groove, simply loosen or remove the set screws and pull the bearing off the shaft. It is really that simple. Let us see that again. Note: in the case of excessive fretting corrosion, a hammer and drift or bearing puller may be needed, but the bearing with the patented time-saving axial groove on the inner ring should reduce the shaft damage caused by the burr. Time is a valuable commodity in plant operation. When a bearing needs to be replaced, either planned or unexpectedly, every minute of downtime can cost thousands of dollars. The time-saving axial groove can reduce your total downtime to change the bearing.
Very easy. Awesomely easy.
Imagine, how much time can you save?